Okay, everyone, welcome back. We're going to take a look at a couple properties of the actual page. We went through setting up a page, and if you don't, or you forgot something, we're able to look at this page itself. As you can see, I have my page here. It's a tabloid. It's 11 by 17. But over here under properties, it's going to tell me several different things. If I forgot to change the units, or if the client wants it in picas rather than inches or points, we can easily change that here. I like to keep mine at inches. We can also change our artboards if we want to make more artboards. By all means, you could add that, and we could edit our artboards really simple and make it a different size if we need to. As you can see, it pulls up right here, but we're going to go back to our width and our height. So our width is going to be 17. But we're able to adjust it on the fly if we need to. Okay? That being said, we're going to exit that out. Control-0 to see our page again. Now we're going to keep moving down here. I like to use rulers. I like to know where things stand. I like to have an idea of how things are proportioned to the page. So here it says rulers and grids. If I want to click here, I can hit my rulers and notice they're up here. As you can see, it's 17 by 11. Yes, if I change my units and go to points, it turns the points. But we're going to keep that at inches. Again, then we also can do is we can do a grid. Let's go Control minus, just a little bit more. Here we go. Just to see the grid. If I click the grid, as you can see, there's a grid. They look to be 1 inch large squares and smaller ones inside. And as you can see, that's what it kind of lines up to be. So there's another thing you can use is your grid if you like to. If you want things lined up and you want to do it. But if you don't want the grid that's too busy, we can do other things also. Take the grid off by clicking it off. Take my rulers off by clicking it off. But we're going to keep the rulers on for this. The next ones are called guides. Guides are really simple. It's a matter of clicking on the ruler, clicking left and holding down, and bringing it down. I'm going to set this one up at 2 inches. Click another one. Set that one down to 5 inches. Let's pull one from the left. We'll go to 7 inches. And we can start laying out what we want to say maybe for a Swiss style poster, or if we just want to kind of separate and divide anything. Yes, these are able to move again once you click on them. We are able to move these again. It says guide, and I should be able to move them. I have it unlocked right now, so let's unlock it. Move my guides. And I was going to say, if you would like, let's come here. If you would like to lock them, it says lock, click to lock the guides. So then they're done and they don't move. Then we also have what we call smart guides. When I draw a square and I hold that shift button down, you'll notice there's things that pop up. It's those pink little measurements there. What those are called smart guides. And some people, as you can see, that they pop up here or there. Some people don't like those. Let's say we could see this. And what happens is, if you don't like those and you have the thing where it says intersect and path, you can get rid of those easily by just coming here and get rid of the guides, and they'll go away. I like to keep mine on. That's easy. We also have snap options. We can snap to our grid. It says snap to grid, but the grid is off, or the snap to grid's off. We can snap to pixel, but we're not using pixels right now, or we can snap to points, and that's on. And what we do is we use snap to a point. That's the most common default one. But I just want to kind of show you what the properties were over here, and that will help you out. So that's it just for this one. Real simple one, but just kind of helps you out to kind of navigate what your actual artboard is and what you can do with it.